So you're getting into the land investment business. You're wondering, why can I not find a true value? In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how I determine the value of off-grid lots so I could go ahead and make a good offer on them and ensure that I'm going to go ahead and make a very healthy profit on the back end. But just know, at any time, directly below in the description are loads of resources you could use to help expand upon your cash flow. So be sure to check those out after this video. Now, you've probably been studying the real estate game for a while. You may even be a beast of a real estate investor, but you have questions about raw land. How come I can't find values on this stuff? How can I determine what's a safe bet to go ahead and make an offer price at? So here's the thing with raw land. It's not like residential real estate where you could see this house, this many bedrooms, this many bathrooms sold for this, and 3 others sold just like that. You know that's the value. With raw land, it's a little different to pull the comps. Here's exactly what I do. I focus in on the areas, just like I would in the stock market, cryptocurrencies, anything else. I focus in on certain coins, certain stocks, or certain markets. So we're talking about land here. Let's go ahead and talk about, let's say, I don't know, I'm going to make up all these numbers in the area here. Putnam County, Florida. Let's go to Putnam County, Florida. Now let's see on all the land investing platforms what quarter-acre lots in Putnam County, Florida are listed for. You're going to see a variety of numbers on this. So we're going to go ahead and start searching through. First, we're going to start with Land Watch. Then we're going to go to Land Flip, Land and Farm, Land Century, Land Central. Sounds like a lot of work. Do you want to make money or not? You got to put in the work. So I'll go through all of these and I'll start taking notes. Quarter-acre lots on this platform are all selling for this much, or they're listed for this much. On this platform, they're listed for this much. And then I'm looking for the average of those numbers. Let's say it's always anywhere from $4,200 to $5,000 for a quarter-acre lot. Like I said, I'm just making up these numbers in this scenario, but this is how I compile my data. And I'll go ahead and go through and say, okay, $4,200 to $5,000 is what everybody's listing them for. So is it safe to say that if I was to get these things for $2,000, I could sell for $3,500? It's probably a safe bet. So that's where I'm gonna go ahead and start. Can I get them for $2,000 or less to leave plenty of meat in the middle there so I can make fast profits and move on to the next deal? So that's my formula in a nutshell, super fast, on how I go ahead and determine the value of raw land. Go to an area, and then I just pick a size of a lot in that area. Then I search all the land investment platforms out there and figure out what the average numbers are at. So like I said, in our last scenario, $4,200 to $5,000, there might be some for $7,000, there might be some for $2,000, but if the bulk of the listings are falling in a certain range, that's what you want to focus on. And then as a wholesale mindset, I always want to go well below that. If the lowest number on the averages is $4,200, well, I want to make sure I could sell mine for $3,500 then and beat out all the competition. If my exit price is $3,500, I need to pick these things up for $2,000 or less, because after closing costs, holding costs, if it's borrowed money, credit card, whatever, you have to factor all that in and make sure you're making money. So that's how I go ahead and put all this together. Now, having broken all this down, I'm sure you had some questions for me. If you have questions, you could text them to me at 440-567-6040, or you could drop them down below. Now, a couple other things I want to run past you here. If you're getting into the land investment business and you want to build a squeeze page to go ahead and collect customer info, get their email addresses so you can go ahead and send them updates on deals you have, but you're not that tech savvy, I'm actually building those out for people right now. You can check the details down below. Basically, if you go to rawlandinvestments.com, that's my site. That particular page converts at a 51% rate, which is fantastic in my opinion. And if you're looking for something like that, I can go ahead and build that out for you on lead pages. Details are down in the description below, and be sure to reach out for more. Once again, any questions, hit me up at 440-567-6040. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.